Comfort is not neutral. It doesn't just soothe you, it teaches you. Every time you choose ease over effort, your nervous system takes note. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. The most dangerous training happens in silence. Comfort feels harmless because it asks for nothing, no resistance, no patience, no cost. But the brain adapts to what it repeats, and what you repeat, you normalize. Dopamine doesn't reward progress, it rewards anticipation, the promise of rest, the idea of relief, the shortcut that whispers, you can stop now. That's why comfort feels urgent, and discipline feels heavy. One excites the mind, the other demands restraint. Over time, your attention learns a pattern. The moment effort appears, escape becomes an option. And when escape becomes familiar, focus becomes fragile. This is how discipline erodes, not through failure, but through permission. Permission to stop early, permission to postpone, permission to numb discomfort instead of staying with it. Each time you leave the moment effort begins, your brain learns that discomfort is a threat, and threats must be avoided soon. Even small resistance feels overwhelming. Boredom becomes unbearable. Silence feels uncomfortable. Stillness feels wrong, not because they are dangerous, but because you've trained your mind to flee them. Comfort doesn't weaken you all at once. It softens your edges. It reduces your tolerance for friction, for waiting, for depth, and slowly, without announcing itself, comfort becomes your authority. It decides when you stop, when you scroll, when you quit thinking. Discipline works differently. It does not stimulate the brain, it stabilizes it. At first, it feels empty, unrewarded, almost pointless, because the brain hasn't learned to trust it yet. But repetition changes the chemistry. The mind begins to associate calm with restraint, safety with stillness, control with patience, not excitement. Control. Discipline doesn't remove desire. It places distance between impulse and action. That space is everything. In that space, attention strengthens. Identity solidifies. You stop reacting and start choosing. This isn't about punishment, or harshness, or denial. It's about retraining your nervous system to stay present under pressure, to remain still when escape is available, to remain focused when distraction is easy. Because whatever you protect yourself from today will control you tomorrow, and whatever discomfort you stay with will eventually strengthen you. The mind does not need motivation. It needs structure. And structure is built through what you repeat when no one is watching.